Hi guys, good morning. So, by the way, I am Angel Maybiwanico, 16 years old. So now, let's talk about my unforgettable experience or moment. Yeah. So let's start to talk about elementary to high school, okay? So, my elementary time or days, I have a lot of memories talaga. So, I'm elementary, that's my start of love life like ganun. I already have a crush and oh my god, because she's so pretty, yeah, but it's the past. But now, actually, I really love the futsal sport. But the problem is I didn't know how to play. Yeah. But on my high school time, I joined in my team in school. I joined in playing futsal, yeah. So, guys, because of futsal, I have a lot of memories. You know, you meet someone or person, yeah. I met my coaches, player in other team, in our team, yeah. Then, because of futsal, I met my best friend, my trio, my duo. Yeah. You know, because of futsal guys, I have a lot of memories talaga. Because mm, I achieved my dream. Yeah. Because of futsal, you can explore in other place. You can join in tournament. You can play with your team. Yes. Especially to the people and I meet when I play in futsal. Yeah. That mga more unforgettable moment talaga. Because of futsal, I have a unforgettable moment, experience. And that's all. Thank you.